Have you ever felt a disconnect between your investments and your values? Investing has traditionally been about growing wealth. But what if you could do more than just make a profit? Imagine using your investments to drive positive change in the world, supporting companies that align with your core beliefs and ethical principles. This is the essence of ethical investing, also known as socially responsible investing. In this video, we'll explore the world of ethical investing and how you can make your money work for the greater good. We'll dive into the core principles, strategies, and potential challenges, empowering you to invest in a way that not only grows your wealth, but also contributes to a better future for society and the environment. Get ready to discover how your money can make a meaningful impact. What is ethical investing? Ethical investing is a financial approach that emphasizes not only financial returns, but also the broader impact that investments have on society and the environment. At its core, it revolves around the idea of supporting companies that demonstrate a commitment to environmental sustainability, social justice, and strong corporate governance practices. By allocating capital to these companies, investors can use their financial resources to drive positive change and promote the values they believe in. It's a way to vote with your money, ensuring that your investments align with your ethical principles and contribute to a more sustainable and equitable world. Imagine the power of your money working towards a future you truly believe in. The triple bottom line: environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. One of the fundamental principles of ethical investing is the consideration of environmental, social, and corporate governance (ESG) factors. These factors serve as criteria for evaluating the ethical performance of companies and form the backbone of responsible investing. Environmental factors: protecting our planet. Environmental factors encompass a company's impact on the natural world, including its carbon footprint, resource usage, waste management, and overall environmental stewardship. Investors concerned about climate change, conservation, and sustainability may prioritize investing in companies that prioritize renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable business practices. Imagine your money supporting companies that are actively working to reduce their environmental footprint, preserving our planet for future generations. Social factors: empowering communities. Social factors focus on a company's treatment of its employees, customers, and the communities in which it operates. This includes issues such as labor practices, diversity and inclusion initiatives, human rights, and community engagement. Investors who value social justice and ethical business practices may seek out companies that demonstrate a commitment to fair labor practices, employee well-being, and positive societal impact. Your investments can contribute to a world where companies prioritize the well-being of their stakeholders, fostering inclusive and equitable practices. Governance factors: promoting transparency and accountability. Corporate governance factors evaluate the structure, transparency, and ethical leadership of a company's management and board of directors. This includes board diversity, executive compensation practices, shareholder rights, and overall transparency in decision-making processes. Investors who prioritize good governance may favor companies with strong ethical leadership, accountability, and responsible corporate practices. By investing in companies with robust governance frameworks, you can help drive a culture of integrity, accountability, and ethical decision-making in the corporate world. Identifying your core values: the compass for your investments. To embark on an ethical investing journey, the first step is to identify your core values. This introspective process involves reflecting on your personal beliefs, priorities, and concerns regarding societal and environmental issues. Ask yourself, what issues resonate most deeply with me? Am I passionate about environmental conservation? Do I value social justice and human rights? Or perhaps I prioritize corporate transparency and ethical leadership. By understanding what matters most to you, you can align your investment decisions with your values and goals, ensuring that your money is working toward the change you wish to see in the world. Evaluating potential investments: doing your due diligence. Once you have clarified your core values, the next step is to research and select companies or investment funds that align with those values. This process requires thorough due diligence to assess the ethical performance and practices of potential investments. ESG ratings and sustainability reports. Unveiling the truth. Investors can utilize various resources and tools, such as ESG ratings and sustainability reports, to evaluate a company's ethical credentials. These resources provide valuable insight into a company's environmental impact, social initiatives, and corporate governance practices, enabling investors to make informed decisions that align with their values. Imagine having access to in-depth information about a company's ethical performance, empowering you to invest with confidence and transparency. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. Diversifying your impact. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds offer opportunities for diversifying ethical investments across a portfolio. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified range of companies that meet certain ethical criteria. By investing in mutual funds or mutual funds and exchange-traded funds with an ethical or sustainable governance mandate, investors can gain exposure to a broad spectrum of ethical companies across various industries and sectors, while potentially achieving more stable and consistent returns. Diversify your impact and minimize risk, all while staying true to your values. Monitoring and shareholder activism. Holding companies accountable. Monitoring your investments to ensure they align with your values is essential in the realm of ethical investing. Regular assessment of a company's ethical performance is crucial to identify any deviations from your values and take appropriate action. Shareholder activism is another avenue for ethical investors to drive positive change. This involves using one's rights as a shareholder to advocate for sustainable and socially responsible practices within companies. By actively participating in corporate governance processes, ethical investors can influence companies to adopt more ethical and environmentally conscious practices. Your voice as an investor can be a powerful force for change, holding companies accountable and shaping a more responsible and ethical business landscape. Green bonds and sustainable financing. Investing in a greener future. Another avenue for ethical investments is green bonds, which serve as a financing tool for environmental projects. Green bonds are issued by governments, municipalities, or companies to raise capital specifically for projects with environmental benefits, such as renewable energy, energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure, and conservation initiatives. By investing in green bonds, investors can directly contribute to funding projects that address pressing environmental challenges, while potentially earning financial returns through interest payments or capital appreciation. Imagine your money directly supporting the transition to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Challenges and risks of ethical investing. Navigating with discernment. It's important to recognize that ethical investing comes with its own set of risks and challenges. One such risk is the phenomenon of greenwashing, where companies or investments falsely claim to be environmentally friendly or socially responsible to attract ethical investors. To mitigate these risks, thorough research and due diligence are essential. Investors should carefully scrutinize the environmental and social credentials of companies and investments, looking beyond surface-level claims to assess their actual impact and commitment to sustainability. By staying vigilant and conducting comprehensive research, you can navigate the complexities of ethical investing with discernment and ensure your investments align with your values. Making a difference with your money, shaping a better world. Ethical investing isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. By choosing to invest ethically, you're putting your money into companies that reflect your values and beliefs, driving positive change in society and the environment. As more investors embrace ethical investing, the collective impact on corporate behavior and societal progress can be significant. Your investments can contribute to a more sustainable future, promote social justice, and support companies that prioritize ethical practices. Imagine the ripple effect of your ethical investments, inspiring others to join the movement and collectively shaping a better world for generations to come. Ethical investing offers a powerful opportunity to align your financial goals with your ethical principles. By considering environmental, social, and governance factors, you can make informed investment decisions that not only grow your wealth, but also contribute to a better world. Whether you're passionate about environmental sustainability, social justice, or corporate ethics, there's an ethical investment option out there for you. So, why not start investing in a way that makes a positive impact on the world? Invest with purpose and reap the rewards of seeing your values come to life through your investments. If you found this video informative and insightful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more content on ethical investing and sustainable finance. Together, we can build a community of ethical investors, driving positive change and creating a more sustainable and equitable world through the power of our collective investments. Join the ethical investing movement today, and let's make our money work for a better tomorrow.